ready to put our patch on it. It's going to fit on there just like so. Okay, now we got a leaky tire. I've already pulled it off the wheel. We're going to patch it ourselves at home. Don't need to go to the tire shop to have this done. Between a bead breaker, manual tire machine, quite capable of fixing this flat at home on our schedule. What we got here is an air grinder, which is not necessary. This little grinding wheel to grind the rubber, that goes in this air grinder as well. Which will grind on the inside of the tire. Got a roller, just for after you apply your patch. Roll over the whole thing, make sure you get the whole thing, all the air bubbles are worked out of it. It's all pressed down to the glue, which this is the glue we're going to use. It is a Extra Seal Super Blue Vulcanizing Cement. Chalk to mark where the hole is. We got slime, or slick, I should say. Don't have to have this. This is how we put the tire back on the rim. You can use a whole lot of soapy water. That works just as good. Okay. Want to mark an X. That way you can see where you're going to grind. We're going to grind a square out roughly like so. Probably a little bit bigger. That way the patch and glue will go right there. The X, plenty long enough so we can see where the center of our hole is. Put the grinding stone and a little air grinder, which is actually really cheap, surprisingly. Goes in here, pull it forward, locks in. Air powered. We're ready to grind this off, grind this spot. Now we just got the spot cleaned up, but you want to make sure you get all this off there. It's got an oily film to it. Your glue and patch will not stick to that. You have to clean it off. Put a little vulcanizing cement, just a thin layer. No reason to get crazy with it. Okay, we'll let that sit for about a minute and we'll be ready to put the patch on it. Now we're ready to put our patch on it. It's going to fit on there just like so. Peel the backing off of it. Try not to touch the patch itself. If at all possible. The oil from your skin will not help things. Okay, where's it at? We can still see our square or our X, so we know the center of our hole should be right there. And this is the time that you'll get your roller device and start working it back and forth. Work all your air bubbles out, make sure every bit of it gets rolled. All your sides are all pressed down. Okay, now that we got the patch on, it's rolled on, pressed. Just let it cure for a few minutes and we can put it back on the wheel. If you got any questions, please put them down below. Like what you've seen. Like, subscribe, share. We got more coming. Thanks for watching.